This is the DJI Mini SE. It is one of my favorite drones for having a very light body and very light components, which keep it underneath the 250 gram mark. It has decent range comparing to other DJI products. It has a great camera and folds up to a very small form factor. I've got mine in a bag. It's waterproof, which came in handy today. Inside my bag I have my Mini SE, which I have put a green, army green wrap on it with motor caps. And then my controller has the army green accent. You can't see it. Army green accent. And then in here I also have 1, 2, 3, 4 batteries. Make that 5. Because the Mini 1 battery set is way cheaper than the Mini 2, and they all work together. This Mini 2 battery will not fit in here, but that's fine because you can put it in the drone and charge it from there. I rarely use this one. I always use these because it's easy charging. This charger shows the level even without plugged in, and you have it's like a power bank. So today I'm going to be testing the range on my Mini SE in a city environment. So let's go. We are outside now. I live on some more property than most, but that doesn't change about 400 feet that way. So we are gonna get flying. I've got my drone all set up now. It's on, it's connecting. My controller is a little low, but that's fine, I think. So let's put this out here. Get our controller. Okay, so we got the drone all connected. Let's start up the propellers. Pull it out here. And we're in N mode. We have to switch it to P mode. And I'm going to switch over to the screen recording and the live view of the drone. Now. Let's turn up the brightness. Okay. So we're going to go up to, let's say, S mode. I have my S mode tuned, so it goes and it elevates at 8.9 miles per hour. I believe the stock sport mode, I should say, is 6.5. So mine goes 8.9. Alright, so we're up to 200 feet, right, or 220. Now we're just going to go full throttle forward, see how far we'll get. You can watch the numbers go up in the bottom. Passing by the school. This is a really good night spot. Just hit 900 feet. The DJI Mini SE is very surprising for its price point. At $300, it doesn't compete with anything. Or I should say nothing can compete with it. It is just too good for its price. I have more than $300 in it, of course. I have bought landing gear, I bought the skins, I have repaired it after my crash. That broke the rear access point, the rear pivot, which, oh, now we're getting weak signal at 2,700 feet. Okay, so no RTH, or no video transmission, raised it to 450. Alright, so we're back now. but I hit 3,000 feet and it's glitching out again. Let me try to get some better spot, maybe. Move to the right. So I still have remote. I still have RC signal is strong, but I have no transmission for the photo, no image transmission. So I'm gonna raise it to 600 feet, or whenever it reconnects. And if it doesn't connect within 600 feet, I'm gonna lower it down, which I find sometimes helps. Okay, now I just hit 600 and it connected, so I'm gonna go a little bit higher. Nope, it doesn't like that. So 626 is where I'm going to stay. It's still disconnected. So I'm going to hold the throttle forward until the RC disconnects. And still shows good. Just past 3,000 feet. Sorry if you can hear that background noise. Still have good RC signal. Very weak image transmission. Or I should say no image transmission. Raising to 700 feet. Very low RC signal. Lowering down. I'm at 4,500 feet away. Okay, RC is lost. So, as it comes home, oh, maybe not. Aha. Okay, so 4,578 feet is the distance I'm getting in the city. Um, so, as I was saying, I have gotten landing gear, skins, motor caps. I bought one extra battery off Amazon refurbished, and then I bought a battery pack um, off Amazon refurbished with 3 batteries in it and the charging base for $80, which is really good compared to the Mini 2. I believe is 150, and it comes with 2 batteries and 1 charger. So this just blows that out. I have to return to home. So now that we're done with or we're not done, but now that we have done the distance test, we are going to try the height. So we're going to test how
Go
high
home.
I can get in the city. Um, so I think I've put around $450 into my drone, and I would take this thing over a Mini 2 any day because with all the accessories that I have right now, the Mini 2 would just, I would be spending way more. Like, the Mini 2 has the Fly More combo, which comes with, I believe, 3 batteries and then a bag and stuff. But then the Mini SE, it has nothing, but it's so much cheaper. It's $300 cheaper than that Fly More combo. So when you're buying that, you can just go with the Mini SE and buy way more batteries and still be under the price point. Because I'm still $150 underneath the Mini 2 price, and I have 2 more batteries than the Mini 2 Fly More combo. I have, okay, I'm gonna fly myself back. I have just more than you can expect from a Mini 2 that I do in my Mini SE. So the vertical height is not the best if you're going straight above the remote controller. So, I'm going to test it at 500 feet away. Seems like that's actually a bad spot. So I'm going to go a little bit closer. Let's say 300. So I'm going to lower down just a little bit and use the video. Okay, so here's the new clip. We're going to go straight up from here. I have 58 battery left, but that's 13 minutes, so we should be good. I have weak signal because I'm underneath the cover. So let me go out here. Okay, so I'm losing video transmission at 750. See if I can go somewhere to get it better. My distance is 400 feet away from the controller, and I'm at 1,000 feet in the air. RC signal loss. So the Mini SE is getting 1,065 feet at 400 feet distance, I believe. It's disconnected, so it won't show me. I think that's pretty good. Some people don't. It is lower than the Mini 2, but it is cheaper than the Mini 2 by a bunch. So for its price point, I think it's outstanding. There's a loss of words for it, but it would be nice having the Mini 2's range, while it won't be nice spending $300 more on a drone. At that point, if I was going to go big, I would go for the Mini 3 Pro, which I do want because I would really like a controller with a screen built into it. I think that would just be really nice. I heard they have bad range though, but that doesn't matter because you can get a good photo from pretty much anywhere. So, alright, so I'm coming down about just past 500 feet. Very slow. I see it though. I still have no video transmission though. At 300 feet above me. Here we are. So make sure you leave a like on this video and comment